Okay, I'm starting to get the basic shape of the dragon now, just on the circle. Very rough in clay. But it's basically just getting all the features in and the shapes to work on in greater detail. I won't bore you with a lot of this because I tend to play about with this sort of thing for ages and ages before I'm happy with it. Putting pieces on and taking things off, very much like drawing a picture really. This is resin clay, which is very nice to work with. But it's basically just getting the bits and pieces on roughly where I want them. Very hands-on, awful lot of water, just to get the shapes I want where I want them at the moment. Just looking at the picture that I'm using as a guide, it's kind of a shape from there. Background that way. I don't want that up anywhere near as high as that, I don't think. I can always take that down later on. As I say, I'm not copying that picture directly, it's more for inspiration, just to get the shapes. The body I think is going to have to come back quite a bit because I don't really want this sticking out of the buckle too far, because it's got to be wearable after all. Shape in. Probably end up doing this 2 or 3 times. It's always fun because if there's something I don't like, I simply just take it away and do it again. So between takes here, you'll probably find that it looks totally different. Enough detail in there for now, I think. That actually comes over there, so that wants a piece over. It's folded over there, like that somehow. Starts to come back round again. Rather a lot of silences here, but that's mainly to give the illusion as though I'm concentrating on this, but actually I'm not. I usually switch off altogether while I'm doing this sort of thing and just let it happen. Just let the shape come out of the clay. Now begin to get the curled wing shape as though it's coming round there. And I think we'll have 1 or 2 more spikes off the back of that as well once we get going. More of a fluid shape on the uplift there as well. Well, that's about it for today. The resin clay is beginning to set, so I don't want to put any more in, or more detail on I should say. I don't know if that's coming out. It looks a terrible mess at the moment, and hopefully as this progresses you'll see how it takes shape, and hopefully be a successful buckle. Long way to go yet though.